Summary Smoothie. Sip smart, learn fast. Matt Abrahams, think fast, talk smart, communication techniques. 1. Speaker's recommendations. The speaker, Matt Abrahams, underscores the importance of spontaneous speaking and how it can be a valuable skill in various situations. 2. Managing anxiety. The video provides a 3-step approach to deal with anxiety when speaking spontaneously. These steps include greeting the anxiety, reframing it as a conversation, and remaining in the present moment. The aim is to help individuals control their nervousness effectively. 3. Getting out of your own way. Matt Abrahams encourages viewers to let go of self-doubt and preconceived notions that often hinder their ability to speak spontaneously with confidence. 4. Reframing challenges as opportunities. Instead of seeing speaking situations as intimidating, the video promotes viewing them as opportunities for effective communication and connection. 5. Active listening. Active listening is presented as a pivotal skill, and the video introduces an interactive game to help participants practice listening effectively. This exercise emphasizes the importance of understanding the audience's needs. 6. Structured speaking. The video introduces 2 valuable structures, problem solution benefit and what so what now what. These frameworks provide organization and clarity when responding spontaneously. 7. Engaging remote audiences. The video suggests using engagement techniques to keep remote audiences actively involved in the presentation, such as asking for their input or using polling tools. 8. Handling hostile situations. In challenging situations or cross-examinations, the video advises acknowledging the emotions at play, reframing the question, and responding more comfortably. 9. Cultural awareness. Matt Abrahams advises considering the cultural background of your audience to adjust your communication style and meet their expectations. 10. Humor in speaking. The video highlights the power of humor to connect with an audience, but also mentions the risks involved, especially in cross-cultural situations. Self-deprecating humor is suggested as a safer choice. 11. Interviewing media-trained individuals. For journalists and interviewers, effective techniques include asking why questions to dig deeper and soliciting advice to encourage more authentic responses. 12. Effective use of why and advice questions. The use of why questions is encouraged to explore subjects more deeply. Additionally, soliciting advice can alter the dynamic and lead to candid answers. 13. Question and answer session tips. The video concludes by suggesting engaging the audience through question and answer sessions, providing further insights into effective communication.